1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Landrum, South Carolina, for $9,500 or best offer. This Mustang runs and drives but needs some work to bring it back to its former glory. It has a 289 cubic inch V8 from a 1968 Mustang with a bigger camshaft for extra power, plus an HEI distributor for better performance. A new gas tank, fuel lines, and brake lines have already been installed. The car has been garage kept since 2001, with all original metal intact. The paint is peeling, but it's only surface rust. Brakes need adjusting, and the carburetor could use tuning. Clean title in hand, cash only. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1969) Ford Torino GT, listed in Wirtz, Virginia, for $16,500 or best offer. This Torino GT is powered by a 390 V8 engine with a C6 automatic transmission. It features power steering, power disc brakes, and air conditioning. Performance upgrades include an aluminum intake and headers for improved airflow and power. The car runs and drives great, with a very solid body and no major rust issues. It also comes with an extra rust-free driver's door if needed. A classic muscle car with a strong engine and great drivability. (1963) Chevrolet Impala, listed in Hudsonville, Michigan for $14,900. This classic Impala is powered by a built 350 cubic inch V8 with a Holley Sniper 2 fuel injection system for better performance and efficiency. It has a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission with a Hurst shifter and a Posey rear end for improved traction. Upgraded disc brakes provide solid stopping power, and all wiring and lights have been replaced. The interior is in good shape, making it a fun and comfortable ride. A great option for anyone looking for a classic with some modern upgrades. (1971) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Nampa, Idaho for $13,000. This Mustang has been driven 27,000 miles and features a 302 V8 engine with true dual exhaust for improved performance and sound. It has been completely tuned up and includes a new custom gray paint job. The front seats, carpet, and headliner are new, and the brakes and fluids have been replaced. Other upgrades include new tires, front bumper, fuel pump, gas tank, shackles, and a new battery. There is some rust in the trunk, but the rest of the car has been repaired. The seller is open to partial trades, but prefers cash. (1968) Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible, listed in Clarkston, Michigan, for $14,500. This rare classic is one of only 1,386 Corvair convertibles built in 1968. It has a 164 six-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. The car has been garage kept for most of its life and was mainly used for shows and parades. It retains its original engine, transmission, interior, and glass, all in excellent shape. The paint and convertible top were redone about 25 years ago. Recently serviced, including a professional carburetor rebuild, it runs and drives great. (1966) AMC Rambler Classic 770 CrossCountry Wagon, listed in Dahlonega, Georgia, for $10,500. This vintage wagon has a 232 inline 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and power steering. It was repainted gold within the last 5 years and still has its original turquoise interior and chrome roof rack. The factory-installed underdash air conditioning is a great bonus. With a straight body and no major damage, this cool classic runs and drives well. A unique, eye-catching ride that's fun to own and easy to maintain. 1965 Chevrolet Malibu, listed in Oneonta, Alabama for $5,000. This four-door sedan is equipped with the original six-cylinder engine and PowerGlide automatic transmission. The engine has been rebuilt and is running like new, with a new gas tank, carburetor, and alternator recently installed. The car runs and drives great, and everything works, including the heater, wipers, lights, and turn signals. The body has some small surface rust but is otherwise solid, with no major rust damage to the body or floor pans. A bill of sale will be provided, no title, so extra paperwork may be needed for transfer. (1973) Dodge Dart Swinger, listed in Camano Island, Washington, for $10,000. This car has been driven 79,000 miles and features a rebuilt 318 engine with performance upgrades, including KB pistons, ARP rod bolts, a Lunati cam, and 302 closed-chamber heads. It also has an HEI ignition, Edelbrock intake manifold, and headers. The rear end has been swapped for a Ford 8.8 with 3.73 gears. The car runs, drives, and stops well, though it needs a couple of small repairs like the dash lights and windshield wiper linkage bushings. Comes with original hubcaps and 30 years of paperwork, including the original build sheet. (1962) Ford Falcon, listed in Xenia, Ohio, for $9,500. This classic Falcon has a straight six-cylinder engine with a three-speed manual transmission, commonly known as 3 on the tree. The body is in good shape overall, though there are some small rust spots in the trunk pan and floorboards. The rear end has a minor leak, likely due to a bad pinion seal. The seller prefers a cash sale, but is open to trading for a muscle car or an old Chevrolet or Ford truck. A great project or driver for a classic car enthusiast. (1965) Buick Special Deluxe, listed in Warsaw, Indiana, for $16,500. This car has been driven around 46,860 miles in total, with only 20 miles added since the engine and transmission were worked on. It features a 5.7-liter small-block Chevy engine, which was cleaned, inspected, and converted to run with a carburetor. The engine had low mileage before the work. The rebuilt Turbo 350 automatic transmission complements the car's performance. Both the body and interior are original and in great condition. The car has always been stored indoors and runs and drives great. It comes with a clean title.